Welcome to Helpful Tutorials. This is Kevin. I want to go over and let you know what my channel is about really quick. Basically, we do tips, tricks, tutorials, and carrier conversations, mainly relating to the iPhone. And with that said, I also have a website, helpfultutorials.net. They both play off of each other. I come up with video ideas from the comments in a YouTube video or from questions that are asked on my website. If you would go to my website, I'll show it to you here real quick. You have a blog across the top. These are specific blogs that I've made that aren't videos, that kind of give you more information. And then you have video, which is going to be all of my videos. You can quickly scroll through these and also search if you're looking for something specific. Some of these will also not only have the video, but they will have step-by-step instructions. I'm still working on that, so more and more videos will have that in the future. We also have tips and tricks. If you want to sign up for the tips and tricks video, you can go ahead and do that. If you have any questions, you click on questions. Here you can ask issues if you are unable to get them fixed. If you have a problem with an iPhone and you're not able to resolve it, go ahead and post it in here. I'll do my research, do my best, and try to get it fixed for you. And this is a good way to also help me with content, because if there's a video that you have a problem with, most likely someone else has a problem with as well. So I can go ahead and make a video on it and explain that to everybody. We also have the store, which is still being worked on, but by the time you see this, we'll probably have more products in there. Just to give you a quick idea, it'll be cases that I recommend, and not just cases, but cleaning material and everything like this. For now, I just have this portion on for the cases, just to make sure I have everything working correctly. I'm going to be adding products shortly, though. So that is helpfultutorials.net, and it's going to play off this channel, like I said. So I'm very excited. If you have any questions or if there's anything that you would like specific, just go ahead and leave it in the comments. I'll do my best. We are trying to grow this and make this the #1 spot for iPhone tips, tricks, and tutorials and fixes. So I want to know your problems. I want to get them fixed, and then we'll have a video for everyone to enjoy. I want to welcome you so much to Helpful Tutorials. I hope you do go through and subscribe. If you do, I'll be seeing you around. Thank you so much for the view.